welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and this is just a quick video to let you know that I've got some more colouring books out that I've drawn. Again, the link is in the description and in the comments section of this video, and there's 3 books and you can get them as a bumper book all together. So the fish one has got things like anemones, angelfish, angel shark, blue-eyed fish, tangs, some shrimps in it. It's got wrasses in it, a clam in it. And one of my favourite ones, let's see if I can find my favourite one, is the lionfish or the mandarin fish. So that's quite full of fishes. I've also done a butterfly one, and again they're all labelled. So there's blue morpheo, the commodore, common blue, swallowtail, giant African, and again my favourite one, let's see what page it is on, is the monarch butterfly. And because I love that so much, I did 2 pictures of that, so you got 2 there to use. And these can be resized on your printer and used in any projects once you've coloured them in. And I've also done mythical creatures, so you've got Anubis and Horus, you've got centaurs, you've got Chinese dragon, you've got other dragons that I've drawn, a dryad, a gorgon, griffins, hydra, a little cartoony mermaid, a bit less of a cartoony mermaid her, and a bit less of a cartoon mermaid him, and minotaurs and pegasus and things. They can each be individually got, or you can get the bumper book. I will link the link in the description below and in the comments, and they're available on my website. Take care, enjoy your crafting, bye.